Where's it going? You gonna get in the hole? Try again. Throw it that way. Very good. Oh, Alex. Look, over here. Over here. Take these. Okay, get in the hole. Get it over there. Get it over there. Watch it. Don't let her hit her feet. Go. Oh, very good. Oh, Alex, you did it. Very good. It went in the hole. Very good. Girl. Ball. Ball. That one's purple. Purple ball. Very good. Yellow. Say yellow. Alex, say yellow. Okay, get another one. Uncle Kirk, show her a different color. Green. 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 That's red. Red. She's smart, huh? Red. Red.
Oh, she knows how to push.
Oh, you smart. Very smart. Yellow. You like the green? Get the green one. Look at the green. Get the green. Very good. Green. All in there. Look at this one's black. Say black. Say black. Black. Say black. Black. Okay, this one's orange. Get the orange ball. Say orange. Orange. Good girl. You smell them? What do they smell like? Orange. Okay. Look at this one. What color's this? Say red.
Red.
Very good. Very good. You're kissing all the balls. For good luck, huh? That one's red too. That one's red too. Red. Very good. What's in there? Ball.